In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install MESHY AI for Roblox. To get MESHY talking to Roblox, you won't install a Roblox Studio plugin. Instead, you'll use the MESHY Roblox Bridge app, which handles the connection between your MESHY models and your Roblox account. Before we start, make sure you have a MESHY AI account and a Roblox account. You're on Windows or Mac OS, and Roblox Studio is installed. You'll also need a MESHY Pro plan or higher to upload to Roblox. With that ready, let's set up the bridge. First, download the MESHY Roblox Bridge. The easiest path is to visit the MESHY website, go to the Resources section, and choose Roblox Bridge. That takes you to the download page for Windows or Mac OS. Now install it. On Windows, download the zip file, extract it, and run meshyrobloxbridge.exe. On Mac OS, extract the downloaded file and open the MESHY Roblox Bridge app. If Mac OS blocks the app because it's from an unidentified developer, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose Open Anyway to allow it. This is a common Mac OS safeguard and simply confirms you trust the app. Once it's open, keep the bridge running. It hosts a small local server on port 5330 and needs to stay open while you send models from MESHY to Roblox. You can minimize it, just don't quit it during transfers or uploads won't go through. Next, connect your Roblox account from inside MESHY. Open your MESHY workspace, click DCC Bridge, and select Send to Roblox. You'll be prompted to log into Roblox and approve permissions. This securely links MESHY to your Roblox Creator Hub so your models can be uploaded to your inventory. Approving these permissions is necessary for MESHY to deliver assets to your account. Now you're ready to send models. After you generate a 3D model in MESHY, click Send to Roblox and let the upload complete. When it finishes, the model appears in your Roblox Creator Hub inventory. Give it a moment if you don't see it right away. Then open Roblox Studio, go to your inventory, and insert the uploaded model into your game. From there, you can position, scale, and configure it just like any other asset in your project. That's the full flow. Download the MESHY Roblox Bridge, install it, keep it running, connect your Roblox account through MESHY, and send your models over. With this setup, you'll move assets from MESHY to Roblox smoothly and stay focused on building.